y'all, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'm gonna do a Rocksbox unboxing video. So if you don't know what Rocksbox is a website that will send you 3 different jewelry per month. So it's kind of like Stitch Fix, where you go and you sign up for a monthly membership and you get a box of different jewelry sent to you per month. That's pretty much what it is. So Rocksbox has many different jewelries, from necklaces, earrings, bracelets. So there's a monthly fee of $21, and with that your stylist sends you 3 different jewelries per month. So you can keep the jewelry as long as you want, because either way you will be billed monthly for the credit. And if you want to purchase them, you could go ahead and do that too. And if you want to return it, shipping is free for returns. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the jewelries that I received in my Rocksbox. Oh, also before I forget, I do have a code for a free month of their service. So if you look in the description, you can use my code and you could try it out for free for 1 month. And don't forget to check out the website for any other info I may have missed. Like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. My previous video, I did a video on how to wear your summer clothes during winter, and I also have a fall lookbook. So check out my channel and don't forget to watch them as well. Bye.